6th grade lesson 10. Number 1. 12 bottles contain 18 liters of soda. How many bottles contain 12 liters of soda? So to find how many liters per bottle, you would do 18 divided by 12, which would be equal to 1.5. So 1.5 liters per bottle. So to find the amount of bottles for 12 liters, you would do 12 divided by 1.5, which is equal to 8. 8 bottles is equal to 1.5. 12 liters, I mean. Number 2, Michael sells tickets to a football game. He sold 321 tickets in 3 hours, so that's our rate. 321 over 3 to find out how many would be per hour, which is equal to 107 tickets per hour. So to find how many he would sell in 5 hours, you would multiply by 5. So 107 times 5 is equal to 535. A. Number 3, Zoe traveled by bus. She traveled the first 2 hours at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour. So 2 times 60, because it's 2 hours, which is equal to 120 miles. And then the next 3 hours with the constant speed of 7 miles per hour. So 3 times 7 is equal to 21. And then you add these two results together to get 141, which for some reason isn't an option on the multiple choice. So I'll just add that in. Number 4, there are 48 marbles in 8 bags. How many marbles are there in 5 bags? So 48 marbles in 8 bags. So you would just divide to find how many marbles in each bag, which is 6. So to find how many there are in 5 bags, you do 5 bags times 6 marbles, which is 30. C. Lydia bought 3 pens for $4.20 and 2 erasers for $1.20. So, and then Maya bought a pen and an eraser, so just one of each, So $4.20 for 3 pens would be 4.2 divided by 3, which you would get 1.4. And then $1.20 for 2 erasers is equal to 0.6. You would add these two together because it's 1 pen and 1 eraser, in which you would get exactly $2. C. Number 6, Peter traveled by train and passed 150 miles in 3 hours. So, and then the train increased its speed by 10 miles per hour. How long did Peter travel the next 120 miles? So in 3 hours, we passed 150 miles, so it was 15 miles per hour. And then the train increased its speed by 10 miles per hour, which would be plus 10, which is 60 miles per hour. So how long did he travel the next 120 miles? So 120 divided by 60 is equal to 2. So to travel 120 miles would be 2 hours. B. 7. The students are going on a trip. There are 150 students in 6 buses. How many buses are needed for 150 students? Well, there are 150 students in 6 buses. So if there are 150 students, then it would be 6 buses. This was probably a typo, but 6. The price of apples is $4 per kilogram, and the price of oranges is $6 per kilogram. Maya bought 2.5 kilograms of apples and 1.5 kilograms of oranges. How much did Maria pay? So the price of apples and she bought 2.5. So 4 times 2.5 is equal to 10. And then 1.5 kilograms of oranges. So 6 times 1.5 would be 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. And then add those two together would be $19. So B. A car is traveling at the constant speed of 45 miles per hour. How many miles will the car pass in 2 hours and 20 minutes? So 45 miles per hour. So we'll start with that. 45 times 2 because it's per hour and it's 2 hours, which would be 90 miles, and then plus the 20 minutes. 20 over 60 equal to 1/3. So 45 times 1/3 is equal to 45 over 3, which is equal to 15. So 90 plus 15 is equal to 105.